Tucked in, boys.
So this is Jack's current outfit. We're beginning the hike to TROLLTUNga. It's about a half marathon distance of walking. Quite a steep climb at first. Not sure if this is the actual route, but we go walk along it for like 9k and we get to this really cool Instagram spot, which is what it's all about. We are bugging out.
Do you see my third eye, guys? I'm really feeling awoken.
We got all the kit. I mean, t-shirt and shorts, but we got ponchos, tarps, poncho liners, bivy bags, fire starting equipment, just in case. Rainbow. Got rainbow up the mountain. Just over 5k in. It's quite a steep little uphill. And there's the rainbow. Oh wow, it's even bigger. Whoa, you can see the whole thing. Let's keep going. Might be some rain coming by the looks of it. The sun is back out, baby. Just a quick little rain shower. Nothing to worry about here. Temperatures are pretty nice actually. And this is as high as we're gonna go pretty much. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Wait till you're back in the air. I'm gonna fucking shred it, dude.
Right, a couple of hours in now. Getting our first glimpse of the lake down there, which is where the TROLLTUNGA overlooks. We're getting near. Oh, look at these lovely little pools. Rain's on again. Oh man.
That's why I said I was gonna do. But now
Dude, I feel sick watching this guy.
No.
I love the idea of being afraid to jump on it and then you see something like that.
Down these little things. And here we are, getting in the queue. Uh-oh.
Mission complete.
That was so scary. We're going down to this next one now. Stay near the wall. It's a big drop.
Happy honeymoon.
That's like my dad.
Whoo!
Happy honeymoon.
It's raining. We got there at the perfect time. We're in the clouds now. Very, very foggy. We haven't eaten actually on this hike yet, and we've been hiking for about 5 hours. We're gonna try and get back without eating, just as a little bug out, survival kind of training situation. We've got more food than when we hiked the highest mountain in Norway, but you know, let's see how far we can push ourselves. This isn't too tough of a hike, to be honest. I'm so hungry. Washing the shoes off. Oh! Dude, this looks scary, man. It's like this big. Who knows how deep that goes? It's freezing. It's freezing.
I'm out.
Oh, dude, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Although I'm kind of used to it now.
We'll get jumping.
Woo! We're running. We're hungry and we're running. And Finn Lizzie's stopped playing. And it's raining. Woo! Just got down from the hike, about to tuck in some noodles. And it starts raining. This kitty shows up. Look how friendly they are. Kitty! Look how beautiful they are. When I first met them, they actually jumped up onto here and tried to get the noodles, which is pretty funny.